Yes, I can see whatever you've seen. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a young man named Ethan. He was an artist and gentle soul, and a heart full of love. Every day he found himself captivated by the radiant beauty of a young woman named Lily. With her warm smile and kind demeanor, Lily
This is
was
so hard.
a beacon of light in Athens' life. As weeks turned
But
into months, Athens
the
feeling her
complete one was so
feelings for
sweet,
Lily grew stronger.
actually.
Couldn't bear to keep his emotions hidden any longer, so one sunny afternoon he mustered up the courage to express his affection. With trembling hands and pounding heart, he carefully picked the most exquisite flower he could find, a delicate red rose symbolizing love and dema- admiration. With the rose in hand, Ethan sought out Lily in the town square, where she often spent time reading her favorite books under a tree. As he approached her, his heart reached, but he was determined to take this leap of faith. Lily looked up from her book, surprised but curious. Oh, what is it? Nervously, Ethan explained that Rose toward her, "This is for you, a token of my of affection. I hope you will accept it."